Hi, what are we doing this week in Bio120 Lab? This week we're going to be exploring molecular biology, which is all about genes and DNA and chromosomes and proteins and codes, the genetic code, all of that. Hopefully you've already learned a lot about it from your lecture instructor. Make sure you get your photosynthesis quiz done. But even before the photosynthesis quiz is available for you, and remember, it's available for 48 hours. So it's available from midnight on Wednesday until midnight on Friday. But even before you do that, maybe start watching the molecular biology videos. The last one, I'll show you how to read forensic testing and determine paternity of a child from DNA. Um, but it may be that you feel like, man, I really know the molecular biology stuff from my lecture instructor. Great, then maybe you would just let these guys play in the background. What you make sure you need to do is to complete your SymBio activities. Go back to that email so that you know how to run the SymBio activity. We've got this one and then just one more that's going to be a SymBio activity. I should tell you that the SymBio activity has got 4 parts to it. Anyway, the section that's number 2, for my lab quizzes, way more detail than you need to know. You need to know 1. 3 is a little bit about PCR. I'm not going to ask you to do a PCR, but it helps you understand how to do paternity testing. You always have to do all of the graded questions. That whole part 2, a lot more detail than you need to know for my particular lab quiz. See you next week.